What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Diona. So today I'm excited about the wig that we're going to be installing because it's a really cute color. The hair is from Beauty Forever. All the information for Beauty Forever will be in the description box below. So this is the hair that we're going to be working with today. So it is a 24-inch 33B wear and go glueless wig. It is a 24-inch 33B wear and go glueless wig. So as you can see here, it is has pre-cut lace. The knots are already bleached for you. The front is already pre-plucked, so you don't have to pre-pluck the hairline. And it comes in like this body wave, and this is the color. And it's really pretty. It's like a gingery red color. I absolutely love these colors, or this color. The inside of the wig looks like this. So you have your adjustable straps here. You have the silicone film around the base to keep it from sliding. You have a comb here. And you have a place to put an adjustable band, but I don't see one with the wig. I don't know if they provided one, but you can put a band here. And then also this wig is supposed to be their like C-shaped wig. So it's like it's cut up here, like it has cutouts for your ears so that it fits comfortably around your head like that. So if you want to see how I install this hair, then you got to keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take off my bonnet. My hair is in braids already and pinned to the back of my head, but you can do your hair however you need to under your wigs. You can do like a little ponytail or whatever floats your boat. So now I'm just taking the wig cap that they provided and slide it on like this and pull it back. Alright. And now I'm taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. It looks like this, and my flat top brush. And I'm gonna color the front of the wig cap. And then also I'm just gonna take a little bit of the leftover cream makeup and I'm gonna run it along the inside of the wig. Particularly just like towards the front where it tends to be a little bit lighter. I just want to make sure that it blends. Alright, and like I said earlier, this wig didn't come with an elastic band, but it does have the adjustable straps in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the wig on just to see if it fits comfortably. If I feel like I need a band, then I'll put one on, but if not, then I'll be fine. It feels like the wig fits pretty okay without the wig band. It does feel a little loose around the sides here, so, and this kind of pulls up relatively easily. I think a wig band is gonna make this just lay flatter, because without the wig band, it's just real easy for this to come up. So I think I'm gonna find a wig band and put it on, and I will be right back. So I was able to find a wig band, and it's fitting a lot more secure on my head. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the bag. Just fresh out of the box. This is what kind of wave pattern we're working with right here, but I'm gonna like put better curls in it. But so far so good. It's really cute. And now I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair. All right, so now the first thing that I'm gonna do is my baby hairs. I'm gonna wear the hair down like this. So as you can see, my natural hairline kind of goes back a little far, like on the ends right here. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs to try and just cover that like just a little bit. That's just how my personal hairline is. Not everybody's hairline is like that, but it's also like the way the wig is cut. So like instead of going like this, it's cut like that. So that's why you can see my hair right here. Right, and then I'm just taking my Eco Gel and I'm gonna swoop my baby hairs. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is clean up the parting space in the wig. It comes with a faint part, but I need to like define it a little bit more. So I'm going to take my comb and do like this. And then I'm going to take my wax stick from Edge Booster and just make my part look a little wider. And then I'm going to go around the parting space of the wig as well on the sides. Okay, so next I'm going to put some curls in the hair. So I'm going to just, my hair is already split in half. So I'm just going to use my curling wand and just throw some curls in here real quick. Alright, so this is just the quick little wand curls that I did. And that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and take this off. Ooh, okay. Alright, so I need to define this part a little more. So I'm taking my concealer in the color Warm Honey and my flat angled brush. And I'm just going to go along this part. I didn't want to pluck it like I could have, but I didn't. I just decided I'll keep the natural parting and then just use concealer. So that's cute, it was good enough. And now I'm going to comb through the curls. I kind of just wanted a body wave. So I'm gonna comb through them like this. And then one other thing I'm going to do is just add some layers. Just a little bit to the front. Okay. Alright. There we go. So yeah. This is doing what I needed to do. Look at this color. This is so pretty. And it is holding a curl really, really well. Like, this is really cute. It has all the volume. And this color is beautiful. So that's how easy it is to install this wig. That took all of like 20 minutes to be honest, from like start to finish. This is 20 minutes. Even with curling it, and it curled really fast, and as you can see, it's holding the curl really well. I didn't have any issues with like tangling as I was styling it, or shedding or anything like that. So it looks really good, and this color is everything. It has all the volume. I just wanted to try something really quickly. I've been really obsessed with like ribbons lately. Like, it's part of like my new thing. Like, I love a good ribbon look. So I think I'm gonna pull this back like this and put a ribbon on just to see what it looks like. Because I feel like a ribbon with this hair color is giving Madeline, like the little cartoon from back in the day. But I think it's gonna be so cute. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute to me. Wait, look at the ribbon. I know this may not be like everybody's vibe and style. We may be like, what the freak is going on? Take that out your head. But no, I've been loving a ribbon. Look how cute this is. Especially with this hair color, the ribbon is so cute. It was just something different. I think I like it without also because it just looks so full. Yeah. Oh yeah, like without, it just looks so full and cute. Like this too. I don't know. I'll probably wear it both ways, definitely. But anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.